Hello guys, I am going to be fishing at my cousin's creek that they live right next to. You see there's snail down there. We going to catch snail because I'm an expert snail catcher, and that's, one of the things that I do other than catch other fish. So let's go. We got to drag that the net across the bottom. I think we caught it there. Might have. Oh yeah, there it is. Right there, look at that fancy catch right there. First catch of the day, we got ourselves a snail. Not something too crazy, but not something too bad. Anyways, here in this creek, we're mainly going to be able to catch minnows and crawfish. They are, well, tiny crawfish.
Is that another snail? No? Yeah, it's another snail. Look, Tyson, I found another snail.
All right, Hunter has found a catch. He's got a snail right there. Hold on. There you go. Look at that cool little snail. Now I'm gonna head this way. This is. No, he's past his expiry date. I'm gonna try and catch us a crawfish to show the viewers. I don't know if there are any minnows. I don't see any.
No, me neither. I see 2 more snails. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Gosh, what are the
minnow? 1 minnow.
Where's that minnow? Is it?
It just darted off into the center.
Dang you minnows! And you're quick swimming.
I want to run in after it.
Chase the minnow. Chase the minnow. Taste the rainbow.
Yeah, let me chase the rainbow so I can eat Skittles.
All right. Well, I'm gonna try and catch some fancy stuff, and I'll let you know. Heck, I think I see a crawfish somewhere. I'm gonna catch it. Victim to the water, guys. My whole it got my sock too. I was just about to say I should probably change to my boots, and I fell in. Oh God! Oh God!
Hysterically and uncontrollably.
Okay. Yeah, I did. But my pant leg has mud on it too. My shoe is covered in mud though. Alright, well, I'll continue fishing once I get food. Oh! I just picked these shoes up from the Nike store. Bro, look at that. It's got the mud rash on it. It's all the way up the shoe. And that's like deep. Oh man. I know this isn't a rare shoe, so nobody really cares. At least I hope not. Well, I gotta rinse them in the water now. Needless to say, my shoes are now waterlogged after being entirely dipped in the creek. So, Mom, I'm gonna need new shoes to go to school in because these probably don't work anymore. My runners, they probably won't fit. They had chickens, as you can tell by Hunter's older videos. Hunter, we should do an MTV Cribs episode. Here, hold on. I'll start the MTV Cribs episode. You have to do the fancy, like, the pans across the place.
You're doing a
We
good
found
job.
birds.
Huh?
Do you guys?
Robert.
Can you see? Sorry guys, the MTV Cribs video was canceled because it was infested with mice. Don't worry, I did not catch rabies. In other fishing unrelated news, we went garage sailing today. I spent most of my money on Hot Wheels cars, but I did get this safe. It's like a toy safe piggy bank thing. And you do like, uh-oh. I'll open it, but I'm not going to show you the passcode. I just opened it so I could get this money out and put it in. Ta-da. And then you turn this dial, and then the safe opens up to reveal your $2.50 that nobody's going to take from you.